gleaming and glistening, fresh from the water, shining and shimmering in the bright sun. Come to the new birth, my tender new children. The oil of my spirit will now make us one. Dun, 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 da, 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 dun. Now cleansed, now purified, with all angels watching, smiling and singing and crying with joy. You have joined Jesus in death, tomb, and glory. Water and spirit born, each girl and each boy. Boom, da-dee-dum-bum-bum. Bright in the sunshine and bright with God's glory, like Moses who came from the presence of God, gleaming and glistening and shining like silver, a new body born from the great womb above. Ooh, do-do-do-do-do. Thine is the power and thine is the glory. You have it all and you gave it to us. You call us beautiful and cancel our evils. Please, captain our new lives, we give you our trust. Do, 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 do. You love the gentle, obedient children. They work with your power, your Son side by side. Come, Holy Spirit, give birth to the barren. We rush to Jesus, we're his heavenly bride. Do, 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 do. Bum, boom, ba-da-da-da-dum. We have been transformed in your living waters. We have been given our chance to be free. We must now walk on a path that is holy. We have been given a crown by the sea.